Now, freestyle. When we talk about style, when we talk about creativity, we're talking about this. We're talking about mango pineapple fried chicken. That I have a chicken leg, and as you can see for yourself, nice and crispy, well done. I'm now going to bite into it. Hey Freestyle Nation, one! Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Freestyle, today we're back in the kitchen and it's all about some fried chicken. But guess what? Not the everyday fried chicken. We're gonna do our fried chicken with a twist today. And we're talking about some mango pineapple fried chicken the Oraine freestyle way. But before we get into it, guys, if you're here for the first time, just hit that subscription button, hit the notification bell that each time freestyle drop a video, be notified. Now freestyle, now we'll just check out the intro, then we'll just get into our pineapple mango fried chicken the Oraine freestyle way. You know the vibes, freestyle.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero, 'cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Oraine Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Now freestyle, as mentioned before, guys, we're cooking mango pineapple fried chicken, guys, and as you can see, guys, the recipe right here. I went ahead freestyle, clean my chicken, wash my chicken with vinegar, water, so you know the chicken well fresh, get rid of all of the rawness. Now right here freestyle are the recipe for our fried chicken. We have some chicken season, all-purpose season, paprika, black pepper seasoned to the bone. And then over here, guys, we have mango, pineapple, onions, scallion, thyme, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic. Now freestyle, is now time for us to go ahead and get our chicken seasoned the Oraine freestyle way. Then we're just gonna fry it up and show you the real way of to do the mango pineapple fried chicken. This might be the first time you're seeing it, but guys, if the first time you're seeing it, guys, just leave it in the comment section and we'll have a discussion about this recipe. You know the vibes, freestyle. So freestyle, with no further ado, freestyle, we're going to start the seasoning of our chicken. And we're going to start off with some chicken season. And as for me, guys, I will use like about a teaspoon of chicken season. Then we're going to use some all-purpose season. Also about a teaspoon as well. I'm not using a measurement, as you can see, guys, because you know I go master the thing. Right here, guys, we have some black pepper. We want to put a small amount of black pepper in it. You're going to sprinkle some black pepper as well. And you don't want to fry chicken without black pepper, guys. Right here, freestyle, we have some season to the bone season. Sprinkle our season to the bone season. That is it. And right here, freestyle, we have some paprika. As you want your chicken to have some color, we're going to add the paprika for the coloring. Because freestyle, we love when the pot colorful, so you already know that already. So after we add all our spices, freestyle, we're going to massage our spices into our chicken. Nice and proper freestyle. And freestyle nation, as I massage my spices into the chicken, I could smell that strong aroma, guys, from the island season. We're talking about the Maggi all-purpose season, the Maggi chicken season. We're talking about the season for the bone, all from the island, guys, and it survives. And we talk about island, we're not talking about any island. We're talking about Jamaica land we love. Alright, our Jamaica land we love. Whatever way you want to call it, but yes, freestyle. So our spices is now completely added, guys, and as you can see for yourself, our chicken is looking nice and beautiful. Here you have it. Now Freestyle Nation, after adding our spices freestyle, it's now time for us to go ahead and prep our natural seasoning. We're talking about our scallion, thyme, onion, and sweet pepper. So right here guys, I have an onion right here. I'm going to cut my onion into rings. So Freestyle Nation, if you have ever heard of this one before, just leave it in the comment section, let me know. If it's the first time you're going to hear about it, leave it in the comment section, let me know guys. But I've never seen it before, I've never heard of it before, so I'm giving it a try and we'll see how it comes out. Nevertheless guys, I know it's going to be a bomb because we're talking about fruits. We're talking about mango, which give you a nice flavor, and we're talking about pineapple that give you a nice flavor also. You know what I mean? Combined together with the natural seasoning, the spices, and our chicken, and it's gonna be a vibes. Right here guys, I have my sweet pepper. Going to go ahead, cut our sweet pepper. Nice and lovely. So freestyle, let me tell you this guys, it's always good to try some new stuff when it comes on to the kitchen. You know what I mean? Sometimes everyday recipe become boring and stuff, so more time you want to be more like on the creative side of cooking, as I'm doing right now. We're doing mango, pineapple, fried chicken, and of course the Oraine freestyle way. And freestyle, I'm using 3 different color sweet pepper because as you know, freestyle love when the pot is colorful, you know what I mean? As I always tell you guys, freestyle cook with love and love is colorful, so always make sure that the pot is full of color, and once the pot have color, the pot is going to have flavor, the pot is going to have taste. So right here, freestyle are my natural season. I went ahead and prepped them, my onions, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, of course some green thyme. Now freestyle, I'm now going to go ahead and put our natural seasoning onto our chicken. After putting our natural seasoning onto our chicken freestyle, we want to massage everything in because we're trying to get the right flavor, the right mix to our chicken. So we have our thyme, our scotch bonnet pepper, our scallion, our bell pepper, and it survives. Give you a close-up freestyle so you could see what my chicken is looking like after we completed seasoning. Freestyle Nation, here you have it. The seasoning of our chicken is now completed guys, and as you can see for yourself, looking nice and delicious. And now freestyle, it's time for us to go ahead and prep our pineapple and our mango. Then we're going to take our recipe to our next level guys, so just make sure you just stick and stay. And guys, if you haven't yet subscribed as yet Freestyle Nation, just hit that subscription button and join the freestyle movement. Mango, pineapple, fried chicken, the Oraine freestyle way. And of course guys, to go with our mango, pineapple, fried chicken, we're going to be serving up some rice and peas with it as well. So just stick and stay for that guys. You don't want to go anywhere. This recipe is going to be fire, fire, fire. You know the vibes, freestyle. Now, Freestyle Nation, I've went ahead and peeled my mango and my pineapple. Now it's time for us to take the recipe to our next level. So, come let me show you what I want freestyle. You know the vibes. Now, freestyle, after peeling our mango and pineapple, what we're going to do, we're going to cut them in pieces into our blender. Cut the mangoes into pieces. Also the pineapple, guys, same thing. We're gonna cut them in pieces. Mango, pineapple, fried chicken, the Oraine freestyle way, guys. Remember, if you're here for the first time, just hit that subscription button. Join the freestyle movement, you know the vibes. Now, Freestyle Nation, after putting the mango and the pineapple in the blender, we're now going to blend. So just stay tuned. So freestyle at this time, guys, we're going to start the preparation to start the frying of our chicken. Right here, guys, I have some flour, and in the flour, guys, I'm going to add a small amount of black pepper. Also, I'm going to add a small amount of all-purpose season in our flour, just a small amount. Then after we do that, guys, we want to mix everything together like that. Then after we do that, guys, we're going to pour our mango pineapple mix into this container right here. Now freestyle, after we pour our mix into the container, what we're going to do now, freestyle, we're going to dip the chicken into the mango pineapple mix. Then we're going to put it in the flour. Then we're going to start the frying process. So just stay tuned for that, freestyle. We're talking about mango pineapple fried chicken, the Oraine freestyle way. You know the vibe. So freestyle, it's now time to dip our chicken into the mango pineapple. Then from that into the flour. We're going to dip again. Then into the flour, dip, flour. Then you want to get the flour and put all over your chicken. Put the flour all over the chicken, guys, and you want to give it a press. Here you have it. Now freestyle, as soon as my oil is hot, we're going to put them in the pot and we're going to allow them to fry nice and proper way. Mango pineapple fried chicken, the Oraine freestyle way. You know the vibes. Freestyle, our oil is now hot and it's now time for us to go ahead and start the frying process of our mango pineapple fried chicken. Alright, so we're putting them in. As you put them in, guys, you want to shake off the excess flour of the chicken. Now we're going to place them in the pot. And freestyle, as I put them in the pot, guys, I can smell the mango, I can smell the pineapple combined with the seasoning and the chicken, and guys, it's just a vibe. By the smell of this, Freestyle Nation, I know that it's going to be a very tasty meal. You have it. Mango pineapple fried chicken by yours truly, Oraine freestyle. You know, when I cook freestyle, we try to keep the stove as clean as possible as well. So while we cook and we make mess, we clean it up same time, because we love when the kitchen stay clean. You know the vibes, freestyle. So here you have it. Our mango pineapple fried chicken is now in the pot. Now we're gonna put our stove on mid and we're gonna give it a slow fry. So just stay tuned. Soon come back with the result, freestyle. You know the vibe. So Freestyle Nation, trust me, guys. Trust me. By now you can imagine the aroma that is coming from the kitchen, guys. We're talking about mango combined with pineapple, our spices, our chicken, and freestyle is just a vibe going on right here. I'm going to give you a close of Freestyle Nation so you could have at least an idea to see what is going on in this pot right now. I'm telling you, guys, It is smelling so delicious and it's just a vibe. We're talking about mango pineapple fried chicken Oraine freestyle way, guys. Remember, guys, try this recipe. You're not gonna regret it. I haven't tasted it as yet, guys, but by the smells of it, I can tell that it is going to be extremely delicious, extremely tasty. So just come on over, let me show you what I'm going to the pot right now. With the mango pineapple fried chicken. You know the vibe. Of course, Freestyle Nation, our mango pineapple fried chicken is coming along nice and lovely. As you can see for yourself, guys, and as you can see, guys, nice and colorful, nice and delicious, and it's just a vibe. I'm gonna give this like probably about 5 more minutes, then our fried chicken should be completed. And in the meantime, Freestyle over here, we have a pot like going bubble up, because you know we're going to cook some rice and peas to go with the mango pineapple fried chicken. So if you're here for the first time, Freestyle Nation, just hit that subscription button, join the freestyle movement. Over here we just freestyle, we just cook, we just travel, and we just go on with a bag of things. So no disappointment. Once you subscribe, guys, it's a vibe. Freestyle. Freestyle in the meantime and between time while our mango chicken I go and fry down over on the other side of the stove. You know, it's a Sunday thing and it's a Jamaican thing. So it's all about the mango pineapple fried chicken with some rice and peas. So right here, guys, I have my rice and peas over here. Gonna give it a stir. Dry bongo peas freestyle, some royal basmati rice. It doesn't get any better than this freestyle. And as you can see, my rice is just right, nice and shelly, nice and delicious. And freestyle, it's a vibe. There you have it. Rice and peas, to give you a close up, nice and shelly. And over here, our mango pineapple fried chicken freestyle. It doesn't get any better than this. Look at that. Freestyle, what we're going to do now, we're going to use our natural season from the seasoning of the chicken to make our gravy. And as you can see, guys, I went ahead and put a small amount of oil in the pot, just a small amount, just to grease the bottom of the pot. Now here are the seasoning from the seasoning up of the chicken. Now we're going to put it in the pot. You know, once you have a rice and peas freestyle, you have to add some gravy to go with it. So right here, guys, I'm prepping my gravy for our rice and peas. So we're just going to leave it a little bit, guys, make it just go on saute somewhat. And then we're going to add some water to it, add some ketchup, a little more all-purpose season, a little more of the season to the bone season, then that's going to be it. Now freestyle for our gravy, I went ahead, guys, and I add a small amount of water. Now what I'll be doing now, freestyle, I'm going to go ahead and add a small amount of Old Bay seasoning, not much, just a small amount. Now we're going to stir. You don't want the gravy to have the flavor and the taste, you know what I mean? Then we're going to go ahead and add some amount of ketchup. Add our ketchup. Stir. Then we're going to cover back our pot, guys, and then in like about 3 minutes our gravy should be completed. Freestyle Nation, so by now our mango pineapple fried chicken would have been completed, and freestyle, it's now time for me to tell you the moment of truth. Right here, freestyle, I have a chicken leg, and as you can see for yourself, nice and crispy, well done. I'm now going to bite into it. That is it. Freestyle, we're talking about mango combined with pineapple, our spices, our natural seasoning, and guys, I must tell you, The taste of this fried chicken is just unbelievable. You need to try it. I swear you need to try it. It's just a vibe. I mean, the flavor of the pineapple combined with the mango, and the mango stands out so much. The spices are the other natural season, and it's a vibe. Freestyle, I get no better than. We're talking about fruits combined with chicken. Yes, we're talking about mango combined with pineapple, combined with chicken, natural season and spices from the island. And we're talking about our mango pineapple fried chicken. Freestyle, it survives. To my friends and family back home in Jamaica, guys, it's mango time, and the mango been ripening and falling from the tree. Don't allow the mango them to waste, Freestyle Nation. Put the mango them to use. Make some mango recipe and just enjoy the thing, you know what I mean? And I must say to you guys, I was just thinking, what can I do to some fried chicken in the day, because I'm just sick of the everyday fried chicken. I just came up with the idea. I'm just say mango, pineapple fried chicken, and Freestyle, it survives. As you can see for yourself, nice and crispy, nice and colorful, nice and delicious, and it survives. Now Freestyle, when we talk about style, when we talk about creativity, we're talking about this. We're talking about mango pineapple fried chicken, and our Sunday special is now completed. Freestyle, I'm now going to share out this wonderful, tasty and mouth-watering meal, and I'm going to have a feast. So Freestyle, just stay tuned. I'm going to dish out, and I'm just going to have a vibe. In the meantime, guys, if you're here for the first time, remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. It's a new channel, and I appreciate all the support we can get. Freestyle, dinner is now served, and it's now time for me to enjoy this delicious meal. Mango pineapple fried chicken served with rice and peas, some lettuce and avocado. And Freestyle, it doesn't get any better than this. Now Freestyle, if you watched the video this far, I'm asking you guys, please just hit that subscription button and join the Freestyle movement. You know the vibes. Freestyle. Until next time, Freestyle, catch you in the next one. Freestyle Nation. Hey Freestyle. Like, share and comment. If you haven't subscribed yet, the subscription button, join the movement. Freestyle.